I have a question for you. What would you do if you saw somebody with a 3D printed QR code on their hat? Would you scan it or would you avoid it? The majority of you would not scan it, and that's perfectly reasonable. Because we all know from the internet, don't scan random QR codes, don't plug into your computer random USBs, they could have viruses. But my goal with this isn't necessarily to get people to scan my 3D printed QR code. My goal is to start a conversation. This specific QR code right here leads to my 3D printed portfolio of all my assistive tools and all my rehabilitation tools. So I've had a few people who came up to me saying, hey, what is that? And they didn't scan the QR code, but they just were curious about it. And that's exactly what I wanted. It triggers that curiosity of wondering, this is not something you always see every day and you want to learn a little bit more about it. For me, this is a great opportunity to just say, hey, this is my 3D printed portfolio. You can go check it out and find all these interesting devices that are open source and free. Some people might say this is guerrilla marketing, but in a way, when you're trying to put yourself out there, you try different things. Some may work, some may not work. And for me, for 3D printing, this is a great opportunity to try something new. Now, I'm not saying you have to go all over the top and try something really big, but just a little thing to just trigger that, I might want to learn more about that thing. So if you're actually interested in downloading this, I have a blank slate of this actual plate right here. So you can put on your own QR code, or you can put on different things as well. Instead of a QR code, you can put on an image. But if you choose to use the QR code aspect of it, you can actually have it lead to a page where it gives you information about the individual themselves. So for people who are nonverbal, you can have, let's say, dietary restrictions or things to be aware of that person. So if you're interested in downloading the plate, the files are free. Check out the link in my bio. And you don't get this specific QR code, you get a blank slate. So you can put anything you want on it. Does this thing look weird? Yeah, absolutely. But that's the thing with innovation. You try new things. If they work, that's great. If they don't work, you learn from it. And you know what? This works for me.